Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to practice your pronunciation on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this third icon down below, and after that click on the pronunciation icon at the top. After that you should select from these options. You can use filters if you want to. You can select the level, easy, medium, difficult or very difficult. Then you can choose from these topics, and if you are done with adding all these filters, click on the done button. So you are going to get all the relevant results according to your preferences. If you are ready, tap on the start button down below to start
What are you doing now?
your pronunciation. So here you can hear this sentence. If you want to re-listen, tap on the speaker icon in the middle of the screen.
What are you doing now?
If you want to hear it slowly, tap on the second button.
What are you doing now?
If you want to add this phrase to your study set, tap on this third button and create a new study set where you can add this phrase. Here you can type in the name, category, and tap on the add item button. If you are done, tap on this microphone icon and pronounce this sentence. What are you doing now? So if you are done, click on this arrow pointing to the right direction.
What are you thinking about?
And you can proceed with the tasks. If you want to, you can quit the exercise by tapping on this X icon in the upper left corner and then click on yes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.